how to download Rapido in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can download and install Rapido app on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you can open up your App Store or your Safari, whichever is fine. And after you're there, simply search for Rapido. There you'll find Rapido's website. You can head over there and then tap on download app on the top right here. So that's one way of doing it. So the other way is by simply heading over to your app store. Let me show you. Then going to the search bar on the bottom right. Then on the top, simply search for Rapido and there you'll find the app. So all you have to do is press on the get app button right here. Mine is the cloud one. Simply tap on it and it should begin downloading. And you can now use this app for your regular use as well. So this is a ride sharing app. You can use this to book bike, taxi, autos, and cabs. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.